Hi everyone, it's Kay here. Thank you very much for joining me while I do a flip through of the journal that I made using joeycardmaker's Christmas Folk digital and kit, and he also has papers in his KoFi shop to match the kit as well, so check him out and have a look to see what if you're interested in having a look at this kit. It's just, I love the colours of this, I really do. And because to me it's sort of like a Scandinavian type thing, I've just used non-flowery lace. I've just sort of used lace that I thought would be in keeping with the sort of Nordic Scandinavian type thing. So I've got a little flower cluster here and some dangles here with some elements from the kit, Season's Greeting, and a little card that they are backed with cardstock, so hopefully they'll last a distance. Now I wanted to do a stacked envelope journal, but it didn't quite work out because I didn't have envelopes big enough. So the file, as you know, the file folder is folded that way. If you saw my last video showing you how I did the cover, so the cover has got things in there now in the pocket there. And I did use the tie all the way around it in the end because I thought that the closure, a paper closure, would sort of not work with the lace here. So there's something in the pocket there. And there's two things in the pocket here. Oh, I think I need to put the, what do they call them, tabs on them. There's an envelope in there, and sometimes it's catching on the envelope. I'll put them out for now. Figure out how to put it back in a minute. I'm sure you don't want to see. It's better. Isn't that adorable? Isn't that adorable? I think it's adorable. Okay, that's better. And then it sort of opens up to another tie. And we've got a material pocket and two tags that come from the digital kit, and a little fabric cluster there with, oh, it's come undone again. I've made a card to go in the pocket back here because, like I said, I folded the folder up. Not too sure what's going on here. I think it's because I used the thin double-sided tape rather than the thick double-sided tape. So there's a pocket here, and there's a little envelope there. And this is an envelope that I covered with the papers from the KoFi, joeycardmaker's KoFi, and these are fun. These are so much fun. Look at that, isn't that good? That's so much fun. I love it. And Dear Santa letter that I had in my stash, so I thought colours went well. This is something I had in my stash as well, I thought went well too. Now, a couple of years ago, I had a digital kit that had similar sort of colours, so that's an envelope for that one, so I thought pop that in there. Little couple of tags. You can still see the poem here. I love this paper, it's beautiful. That one and the Christmas ones are my favourite ones. The Christmas one, this one here, this one, I love this one. Anyway, another tag in a pocket there. Another tag, a journaling card, pop that in there. Lots of space to write on or put photographs or other things from your Christmas day. This is a recycled Christmas card that I thought went generally with the colours and snowflakes and things. Some music paper. This is a Tim Holtz slotted ephemera, and I put lots of Christmas tags in there. Some from the digital, some from previous things I had in my stash. So I try to use things in my stash as well as use the things from Joey. And then there's a little stamp there in the corner. made that into a little tuck spot. So there's a little notebook here and another journaling card. I stuck all my journaling cards down, and I realised afterwards, oh, I could have left them open to put things in them, hidden pockets. So there's another pocket there. Little pocket I made from the first page of the KoFi pages, and put these things in there. They're not backed at all, they're just on paper, so if you decide to buy this journal, you can put it on your paper straight away. There's the middle. This is just a one signature journal. So I've just paper clipped that on. I think I might put a little something on there. What's the word I'm looking for? I can't think. And on the back of this is just more writing paper. So I decorated this Christmas card with some of the images from the printable, digital. There's made a little pocket from the houses, and this is something colouring in, an old vintage colouring in sheet for Christmas. That's all nice spaces there to write on or whatever. And put that there, and there's 3 little things in here. And it flips out to more stamps and things here. I put them on, and then there's something else that I had in my stash that's got something in there as well. So there's a number of things. So that I used the flap to go over the page with, and I just created a pocket with, and put that journaling card there. Another pocket, a journaling card. I don't know what I've done wrong with this one. It just won't go down any further. Whether I cut it off a bit more, but then you can't lose the side bits. It just won't go down. I must have done something wrong, I think. Sorry, excuse my head. Anyway, so it's in. It's the main thing. Another pocket. I love these mice. In fact, I love everything really. Tea-dye paper. This is a tuck, made a pocket using up tucks. There's a calendar here. That's from something in my stash, and there's in there. And you use the calendar and put it on the fridge. And there's another journaling card, and the part of the poem that was on the other side. It's just another journaling card. The pocket that I made from the first page of the KoFi digital. There's a couple of things there, and there's a pocket here with a little bag of goodies from the printable. You can use however you like. And this is one of those fun. Aren't they so much fun? I love them. That's such a clever idea, Joey. So clever. Okay, so they're in there. Another little pocket with some more of the things, and this journal belongs to, and I've popped it in there because I thought, well, if the person who wants the journal buys it, they might want to put that on there as well. Another full round glow pocket with a flower cluster, and this is from my stash, and this is from the kit. And then back here we've got journaling card here, because what I did, I took Joey's picture and I blew it up basically, so we've got on there. And the other one, oh, you saw the other one. And then and I put a bit of washi tape there just to give it a bit of colour. So that is the Christmas Folk journal that I made with Joey Cardmaker's Christmas Folk digital. And please check him out. He's got some really lovely things in his shop, in his Etsy shop. So thank you very much for joining me today. Please take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.